Hello viewers, my name is Adibara Kende from Kaba, Kogi State, Nigeria. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Sometime last year, I built a drone, a quadcopter, and it flew away, got lost due to signal loss. So it was my biggest drone, 450 kV motor, 15-inch propellers, foldable propellers, 40 amp ESC, rating 3 to 8 cell, powered by 6 cell lipo battery, a combined 2-3 cell lipo battery in series to make 6 cell for the drone to take off. Actually, I'm having the video of how the video I was on video record when the drone flew away, when I had the signal disconnection and I was unable to locate the drone till now. So it was actually a sad moment, a bad day, worst week, bad. It was not funny. It was not funny. I actually almost got crazy. So it's in the video. When I have my flight test, I take off to about 20 meters altitude, fly to about 50 meters distance. I tried my return to launch. My return to launch was fine. So I was flying on altitude hold. I was flying on altitude hold, stabilizing on altitude hold. I'm not using loiter then. So after a couple of tests, then I decided to do the final test. All I was left to do then was to attach LEDs. So I decided to take the next flight, in which the drone got disconnected and flew away. So it was in the video. I'm going to show the video after this talk. So I take off to about 50 meters altitude or 100 meters altitude, then to a distance of about 50 meters distance. So the drone got disconnected and it followed the wind direction, and I was unable to connect again until it actually vanished. And I was unable to see or get the drone back. So I actually have issue with my PSOC flight controller. They got damaged, got smoked up by bad ESC and also BEC. So it burns, not working, and I've been unable to go on autonomous flights now for a while. So let's check this video out first. Yemi, you turn on.
Má fẹ́ jẹ́ lẹ́kùn rẹ̀ ṣó.
Alright, that's the video, and that's how it's all happened. You can see on the video when I was trying to run after the drone after it got disconnected, and after then I've built, but after my flight controllers got smoked up and I'm out of gear. So it's really been a while that I fly drones or build drones. So I'm actually working on a project presently, but hoping to complete it soon with the help of you guys. So it's going to be an autonomous drone that is going to cover about 30 to 100 kilometers hours endurance. So I'll be needing long range FPV system, crossfire module for my transmitter, radio link. Thanks for watching my video.